fix, we'll try anyways. Today we're gonna try and fix that loud ass noise.
What are you talking about?
Good morning, everybody. It's like 9 o'clock. And yeah, it's time to fix this exhaust, man. It's just been too loud for too damn long. Today we're fixing that. Right now I'm gonna head to my uncle's house because he has tools I need. So I'm gonna buy him a coffee just so I can use his tools. If you can hear that, it's not good to be in a neighborhood at 9 o'clock with my car just fucking screaming. Well, once it heats up, we'll do a pull and you can listen. But man, it's just so obnoxious for a daily. I can't handle it anymore. But it is reliable for an 03 Volkswagen Golf. Like, I'm gonna put fucking probably a ridiculous amount of money in this thing, and I'm gonna love it. It revs high, but I don't know if like the previous owner fucked with the gearing. But like on the highway, I'm at like 3,000 RPMs in 5th gear, so I don't think something is right. I don't know. I really don't know. Like, I'm in 5th gear right now, doing 60 kilometers an hour. Roughly around 30 miles per hour if you're American. It's got you. But yeah, like, and I'm almost at 2 grand RPM. Something's definitely wrong there. I don't know. I gotta get it aligned too. Because, well, it's not that bad, but something's wrong because on the highway I feel like I'm driving on ice. I'll see you when I'm at my mother's house, is where I'm gonna try and do the install. Most of the bolts under there are rusted, but I got steel wool brushes back, not steel wool, stainless steel brushes and WD-40 back there to get rid of the rust and hopefully loosen up those bolts. But yeah, I guess I'll just restart the vlog there. Peace. All right, just got my coffee with Tim. Got my tools, they're in the back there. Now I'm heading to my mom's house, 2-minute drive, not far at all. This should be fun. We have made it. You've done well, car. Even though you have like 30 lights on because you're fucking, look at this shit. Like this check engine, this ABS, brake pad, they're all just sensors that need to be replaced. It's fucking so annoying. Got my Tim Hortons. About to go eat this bagel inside. And yeah, and then we're gonna go check out the exhaust. Magnaflow something. The System Touring Catback Volkswagen exhaust. So the plan is to put this on, or at least take that off today. I might have to bring it to a mechanic because it is an 03. It's the stock exhaust, and I don't know if the bolts are seized or not because I live where they like to spray some sort of salt on the pavement after snow and shit, because it doesn't turn into ice, and it causes your car to rust pretty damn bad if you don't take care of it. So I'm gonna hope for the best that I don't have to do that and spend more money, but if I do, I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm recording a vlog. Cool. Yeah. So I brought the exhaust system upstairs. Austin, come here. Hurry up. What are you doing? Oh, okay. God, I miss this place. Well. Oh, it's such a beautiful day.
God, this backyard's amazing. That's my best friend's house right there, Jared. Love that guy. Pick that up. Try to pick it up. Whoa! Try to pick that up.
I didn't even notice it when it came out.
Okay, try to pick it up. Just grab it. It's really light.
Yeah, it is.
For the whole system. Magnify. This is what's in there.
Where's it crooked?
That's just the box. All right. So the thing was about $1,000 Canadian, like $600 American, $600 to $700. And I need it, and I wanted it. Oh, baby. Oh my God. What the fuck is this, dude? Okay. I got my work cut out for me. Okay. Oh, these are the new bolts. Shit. Alright, I have it all laid out here and it looks fucking sick. I'm so excited. You excited?
Yeah.
Dude. This is gonna be intense. So basically what happened is I bought the wrong exhaust system. It fits, but it's only from the middle back, and my problem's at the front of the car. So, shit out of luck.
So it's the next day, and basically what happened is when I started to work on the job, I realized I bought the cat back exhaust, so everything from the cat back. But the one thing I needed to buy to fix was the cat. So I basically didn't buy the right part, so I took it into the shop. My uncle's old shop, owned by actually a good guy named Nick. If you live in the Edmonton area, go hit him up. He's ASAP Automotive, I think. Super good, super chill, super great job, cheap prices, honestly. But yeah, my mom's home. But yeah, no, I'll put some sound clips in it. It sounds really fucking good. Like, it's way quieter, and I'm happy about it. So it's been a couple days since I last actually picked up my phone and recorded something, but the new exhaust is on. Basically, I had to take it to a mechanic because I had to cut shit and I didn't have the tools to do so. But it is done now, so we're gonna put the phone outside and see if we can get some sound clips. So basically it went from this. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like before the exhaust. To this. As you can hear, it's way different because the last time, before I put this exhaust on, what happened was the catalytic converter was broken off from both sides of the pipe. So basically the noise was coming from the engine. So that's where we were getting the pops from. Dangerous, but fun. It was fun, I'm not gonna lie. I'll miss the loudness, but this nice low rumble is way better for a daily driver than fucking just screaming like a tractor straight piped. A straight pipe tractor is what it used to sound like, and now it sounds like a nice sports car. And I'm hyped about it because it's daily, so I need it to not be that loud. And I live near a lot of people, and I don't want to be that guy, you know? But yeah, I'm so hyped on it. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys are as hyped as I am for the new exhaust, because this thing sounds sick. But yeah, no. So over the course of my YouTube channel, there will be gaming and cars and just like life vlogs over one channel. And once it starts growing a little bit, then I'll like do, one for cars, one for gaming, one for my life. That's my whole plan with this kind of stuff. I do stream a lot too, so maybe even if that blows up, I might ditch this whole YouTube thing, because streaming's hella fun. But I love cars, man. I really wish I could have did the exhaust myself, because that would have been a great learning experience for me, but I just didn't have the tools. I just couldn't do it. But it sounds great. Oh, beautiful. I love it. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, blah, 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 comment, blah, blah, blah. See you later. Peace.